What is up, guys? So today we're starting a little late. Today was one of those days we gotta do a bunch of errands you don't want to do, but you gotta do them because it's life and that's what happens. So today we are gonna be not finishing up, but we're gonna be working on Jip's tune once again. Because if you guys watched yesterday's video, which you should because it was kind of funny, we were having a lot of issues with Jip's car over boosting, and we fixed it, but it was too dark. It was too dark and it was too nasty out to really get on the car and really feel it out now that it's like accurately hitting boost. So we're gonna take it out, do a few pulls, take some fuel out of it and see what happens. So good way to start the day. How you feeling?
Good.
Yeah?
Happy. Can't wait to drive this one I can see.
Ooh!
Like it's OEM.
Like it's a what?
OEM, babe.
So if you got a lot of you guys yesterday, a lot of you guys wondering what ECU we're using. We're using a Nismotronic ECU if you didn't catch it yesterday. So it's basically a modded, it's the stock ECU. They added a board to that allows us to then real-time tune it on a laptop. So we got we got like a base map and we're just gonna be adjusting it to his car, trying to get the air fuels as clean as possible to get as much power as possible. We're not touching the timing map. We're gonna play it safe, but we're hopefully having this set at like wastegate pressure, which is about 7 to 8 PSI. Instead of the 28 PSI that it hit yesterday. Thank God the car held up. So we're gonna take it out and go from there. Love the way this car sounds. Let's see what this bad bitch is doing. Be live. All right. We don't got a third cameraman. First pull, we're gonna ease in the boost, make sure it's not over boosting. Oh, that was perfect. Was that full throttle?
No, I went full and then I let off.
All right, yeah. So we peaked at 7.5 PSI. It was beautiful. That was a nice smooth pull. So we're gonna try it again. We're gonna see what the AFRs are and try and pull some fuel out of it because it's probably running rich.
Yeah.
Ready? All right. Floor it. That was nice. That was a good pull. We definitely got to bleed the brakes.
Yeah.
Under load, we held 10.5 the whole time, which is a really safe fuel number.
Super safe, yeah.
So we're gonna pull it up. Oh, that was a little bit nicer. You could tell.
Yeah.
Well, that pulled the AFRs all the way up to 11.5. That's perfect. I think we could leave it at there for now.
Yeah.
Until we really break it in. Maybe I'll pull a little bit more out. Yeah, let's pull a little bit more out. Fuck it. We'll be good. Yeah, you ready?
Okay.
That was good. Perfect. So AFR is still clean. We bumped them up just a little bit, so we're hovering around 12, and 12 is definitely a good number. So, sweet. Sweet. I think she is officially ready to drive on the street.
Facts.
Awesome.
Next week.
Guys kind of got a taste of it yesterday, but I would say with Budget Hatch, it's officially, she's there.
Done.
Done. Well, not done. We got a lot to do, but now I guess she's ready to mob. So it's good enough now that we can be driving around, have some fun with it while slowly working on it, and hopefully I can convince Jip to bring it to the track within the next 2 months. But today I really want to get the headlights to work because the headlights weren't working. Those are 2 streetcar functions that we really need. I'm getting it right.
Why not? It's gonna rain probably in 6 minutes, but for the peace of mind.
Looks good. As you could probably tell, Jip disconnects the battery. Okay, never mind. All right, guys, so when anything electrical doesn't work, you know, everyone first check the fuses, I guess. And I went to go check the fuse, and I looked at the back of the fuse, and the power wires aren't connecting to anything. Since this is like a really weird custom body harness setup, well, not really custom, just chopped the fuck into that we've been trying to like fix ever since we got the car. It's not put into any wire, any power source, so we put power to it, headlights work. Now I'm just gonna put, now I'm just gonna, tape them up where they should go, and we should have headlights. All right, B-Hall, let's see if the lights work. Give it a shot. 2, 3, it's lit, boys. Come on. Come on, enough with the fucking... Hey!
Wow, they work.
Try the high beams.
Wow.
Hey!
Wow!
I should have tried this last night.
You should have. We should have. No, that's fire though. No, dude, let's make B-Hall turn red. Turn red, B-Hall.
No, this isn't even fun. This is
you guys ready?
No, this isn't even fun at all.
Pass out. Elementary schoolers do.
You gotta... What did you shit just
I'm gonna pass out.
No, what are we doing?
I don't know, we stopped doing that.
Well, because we got your headlights to work, and we need the The brake light
Brake light
switch. We
switch.
found out there's no brake light switch in the car, so we got.
Why you put it on a switch? Why you get the own switch?
Yeah, so every time you stop, you push a button. Good,
Yeah.
good idea, DJ.
Just or put it by your foot.
DJ shit I've ever heard of.
Or by
So we gotta order a brake light switch. Like, no big deal. So, I'm gonna take a minute to just call Don out. Don, come here and work on your damn car.
Who's done?
Exactly. Don.
Hero?
Jet. Where are you? Somebody can register the car.
Next week. I've said that like 8
I know, but
times.
I need people to know this so they know. what's
Hopefully
happening.
next week. I have to pay car taxes this week, and then after that I can unregister 2 Johns till I register this John.
And we could be mobbing together, right? I'll finally have a 240 friend again.
I don't know if I'm your friend, but I mean, yeah, it'll be mobbing, yeah.
Fuck you.
Yo! That's real fiberglass.
So me and B-Hall were talking, and tomorrow is FCP Euro's Cars and Coffee. It's here in Milford, Connecticut, and one of our really good friends works there. We like to go out. It's always a good time. Last time we went, it was pretty big. It's been pretty cool cars.
I wasn't there. I actually have never been yet.
But you've been wanting to.
I've been invited a bunch of times. I've wanted to go. It just hasn't worked out so far.
So it's like pretty late, but I think we decided on we're gonna go, and B-Hall thinks we should take both of these because he think it'd be cool. So I'm gonna let B-Hall take the Red Z home tonight, and he could drive that there tomorrow. Sounds good?
Sounds good.
And I'm gonna take the Black Z. I think the Black Z's ready. I fixed the valve cover and the exhaust, and I honestly haven't driven it since because you guys know how I never drive my damn cars. But it should be fine. I don't see why not. Cars are disgustingly filthy, especially the Red Z. The Red Z is, oh my god, it looks like a barn find car. There we go. It's really bad. I mean, look at the windshield.
Nothing a little soap and water can't handle. Come on.
True. All right. So first mission is you gotta inflate the tires. Always check if your car. I don't care if your car's been sitting. Always check your damn lug nuts, and we gotta wash them really, really badly. And we gotta move a bunch of shit. Sound good?
Sounds good.
All right, guys, you asked for it. It's gonna happen. These cars are registered. They're legal. What are we doing?
Inflating the tires because 2 of these wheels always freaking leak. When you guys are building 3-piece wheels, don't be lazy. Seal them well. It's a pain in the ass.
Better in the back of this.
Dude, this pink shirt's fucking killing me.
I don't know why I'm wearing them.
Because I think it's laundry day. Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen it take that long to start.
I didn't prime it very
Oh yeah, you didn't let the fuel prime. You guys can hear that little exhaust leak? Maybe it's a big exhaust leak. Look at all the dust that came out. Oh, Brian, shut it off!
It did smell like fuel.
It did, yeah.
Alright, we can fix that.
Yeah, that's very... I looked on it, yeah, that's definitely fuel. Right, so the fuel line seems fine up here. So we're gonna look, there's only one fuel line that runs all the way up to the car because it's a returnless system. So it has to be something back here. It looks like it was coming from the middle of the car, which is kind of weird. So I don't know if we hit something or what, but. Thanks, Ryan.
All right, Jimmy found the leak. It wasn't very hard to find because this is a returnless system, but it was just that clamp right there. She was a little loose, but it seems to be all sorted now. So we're gonna fire it up and see if she hits.
Coming down. Oh, got her. We got her at a safe speed.
All right.
See, you keep making me pull these cars out, but you're 20 feet tall.
True.
Oh, they look so pretty.
Keep that bucket, man. soak it down, wipe it off.
Damn, B-Hall, this is gonna be pretty cool.
Hell yeah, I've been waiting for you to bring both of them to a show because I think that's just the ultimate flex, right?
I think it's gonna be pretty cool, and it's honestly like Brian's probably the only dude I'd ever trust taking all my cars home, so I'm not worried about it at all.
Thanks for saying that.
All right, well, come here and look at the lens. This is hilarious. The cappuccino in here with the wide angle. This looks ridiculous. Look how funny this looks.
Yeah, it looks like a toy.
That looks like a toy car. All right, guys, so it is ridiculously late, and I still got to edit and everything, and the Cars and Coffee is at 9 a.m. So me and B all going to meet up and then cruise down together. It's like a 40-minute drive. So, all right, these are washed, ready to go. Let's go put fuel in them and head the hell home. Oh, I hear B-Hall getting on it. How's the first mile and a half?
Easy going.
All right, B-Hall. She's having a sleepover with you tonight.
Yep.
Yeah.
See you in the morning.
I'll
Take
see you in the morning.
good care of her.
All right. We parting ways. So Brian's gonna be at my house in the morning, and then we're just gonna cruise down, and it should be fun. So I'm excited. Have fun with her.
I will.
All right, guys. But that's it. These are out. So far, so good. Car show tomorrow, or Cars and Coffee. A little bit more chill. Get to really, a little bit more personal, which is really nice. So, yeah, hopefully there's some pretty sweet cars. And yeah, at this point, I'm too tired, so I'm not really being creative. So, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and have a great night.